As a house cleaner, we see lots of vanities that look like this, and I know none of you have a vanity that looks like this. However, the same pro tip is true for um, your bathroom. And the reason I bring this up is many times we get dressed in the morning and we have our morning routine, and it kind of sits there on the vanity. And if somebody were to come in at the last minute and they see all this stuff, the first thought is like, oh my goodness, this is overwhelming. And if you have a sense of overwhelm when you see clutter and misstrewn stuff all over your house, this is a highlight room. Okay. The master bathroom is a highlight room in any house. You walk in, and that's where people spend about an hour and a half of their day. They get dressed in the morning, they close their day out inside the master bathroom. When they go in, they wanna see one of these, "Oh, wow, look at this bathroom," kind of feels. And if they walk in and all the vanities are cluttered, there's a bunch of stuff in the shower, and it's just kinda overwhelming, again, this is one of those things you're gonna go, "Yeah, I don't wanna spend an hour of my day here in this room." If you'll put your makeup on in the morning, and then you'll put it inside a travel kit and put it back in the drawer or put it underneath the sink so that it's out of sight, out of mind, you can do that really quickly with a little tote. Get a little tote that you put your hairsprays and your deodorant and all that stuff in. When you're done using it for the day, take the little tote, put it underneath the bathroom sink. You still have it again for tomorrow. But if somebody were to come in on the spur of the moment, what they're seeing are these nice, clean vanities, and they're seeing this great big opulence of a master bathroom that they're like, oh yeah, I can totally see myself in here, as opposed to what happened in here, right? I don't want any part of whatever this is. And so again, it goes back to making sure that there's that look and feel that is inviting to someone. Aaron, what about mirrors?
I'm so glad this came up. Mirrors are a huge deal when it comes to selling your home. When it comes to the bathrooms, I recommend have a little cleaning box that stays under your sink so that those mirrors can be wiped down and cleaned before a showing. There's nothing that turns a buyer off faster than toothpaste all over the mirror when they go in to look at the bathroom. So keep that little cleaning box. And then also another pro tip is all of the linens in the bathroom should be white. They should be folded and they should be clean. So rags, towels, etc. Your bathroom is on display. So go to the store, grab some white towels, white washcloths, put those out, and those will just be for show. When people come over and come into your bathroom, it'll look really, really nice. It'll look pristine. When you're ready to use something yourself, open up the cabinet from under the sink, pull out those towels, use the towels, put those back under, and leave everything else the way it will look really, really nice. And white specifically, it gives that, real chic looking, nice hotel feel when people go in there. And I also recommend a few other textures, especially in bathrooms, like a nice scented candle that's not lit, but that's just on the counter. Um, some really simple things. If you've got a garden tub, they've got those boards that go over the tub, that you can sit and like read on. Those look really, really nice and give the feeling of a really relaxed spa feel when it comes to uh, when it comes to your bathrooms. So highly recommend that.